Good morning, Rocketeers. Welcome to 2.5 SEL Week 3, Day 1. Day 1.
Rocketeers, this week's big question is, what about the way that Panda uses his mind makes him different than Monkey at the beginning of the story? Do you tend to think more like Monkey or Panda? How do you think using your 5 senses can help you to be more present? Do you think you spend more time thinking about the past, the future, or the present moment? Why do you think that is? Go ahead, Rocketeers, take a couple of seconds to comment in the bottom of the comments below.
Cheryl, last week we considered how our brains can be similar to a puppy. When your brain keeps pulling you in another direction, what can you do to calm your mind? Rocketeers, what do you do to calm your mind? Take a minute and comment down below.
Objective. I can practice being in the present moment by slowing down to pay attention to myself, others, and my environment.
Day 1, reading focus. This week, we will read a story about two friends and learn a lesson about being mindful in the present moment. Think about how this story connects to last week's text, Puppy Mind. One late afternoon, as Monkey was walking home from a long day at school, Monkey came across Panda, sitting sincerely in a thicket of bamboo. "You always seem so happy and peaceful," said Monkey. "Yes, you could say that," said Happy Panda with a little smile. "What do you do to be so happy and peaceful?" "I walk, I work, I read, I eat, I play, and I rest."
I walk, I work, I read, I eat, I play, and I rest too. But I'm not so happy, said Monkey. That seems true, said Happy Panda as he looked at Monkey. So Monkey, what do you think about when you do those things? Well, said Monkey.
When I walk, I also think about doing chores. When I do chores, I also think about reading.
When I read, I also think about eating. When I eat, I also think about playing.
When I play, I also think about resting. When I rest, I also think about walking.
Ah, said Happy Panda. Your monkey mind jumps from one thing to another, always to somewhere other than here, to something other than what you're doing right now.
Rocketeers, think about the text. When Monkey's reading, what does he say he is thinking about? When Monkey rests, what does he think about? Does the monkey seem to be mindful of his present activity?
Closing. Today, try to notice if your mind is similar or different from the monkey in the story. Are you often thinking about the past, the future, or the present moment?